I have a confession. I'm a cable management cheater. As long as I can squeeze that side panel on, it counts. But I want to do better. And since I have a new office, why not start now? Hey everyone, my name is Trisha Hirschberger, and today we are going over some simple tips to level up your gaming PC cable management. So let's get started. Cable management definitely makes a gaming PC look super pro, but it's not just about appearance. A little planning on how you can route those cables can improve airflow, which keeps temps down to help your parts last longer, give you better performance, make PC upgrades easier, prevent dust buildup, prevent snags or tears, and more. It takes extra time, but the benefits are totally worth it. In addition to time, you'll want either zip ties, Velcro straps, cable sleeves, or wraps, or a combination of all of them. There's some aesthetics to consider here, as well as how often you think you'll need to get in there to adjust. While we're in the planning phase, take a look at your situation. How many cables do you have? Where do they connect? Once you've installed your major components, it's time to sort your cables outside the case first, according to their function: audio, video, power, etc. Some folks find it helpful to use color-coded cable sleeves or Velcro straps as they bundle to help keep everything straight. Once all your cables are sorted, start planning where each will go in the case. Make sure no cables are in the way of your GPU fans or CPU coolers. Once you have everything routed the way you like, bundle similar cables together, power cables, data cables, fan cables, etc., to keep them and you organized. Again, color coding can be helpful here, or if that's not your style, label tags or other marks can achieve the same end goal. It really is all about time, effort, patience, and planning. Some people find it meditative, believe it or not. For me, I'm so excited to get the thing up and running that I sometimes speed through it to get to the finish line, but no more. Only sleek cable management for me from here on out. Have you recently finished a build and want to show it off? Tell us about it in the comments. And if you found this video helpful at all, even a little bit, we'd appreciate it if you liked the video and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any future tech tips. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I will see you next time with more DIY in 5.